Don't have to worry about the sun today. We're seeing a lot of cloud coverage right now and the possibility of some showers picking up, especially out towards Mason County. Everything's playing out exactly like we were calling it. Off and on showers expected throughout the day today, with some of the heaviest early this morning and expected again as we get out towards the late afternoon, early evening hours. The entire state of Texas now seeing a lot of rainfall right now. Let's zoom into a couple of spots that I was actually watching. That should not have gone that way. There we go. That's where I wanted it to go. Out towards Dallas into Fort Worth as you get between, it looks like I-20 into I-30 and then just north of I-30 moving past North Texas and out towards Oklahoma as well. And then we have some more showers that have been building up along the coast, getting closer towards Houston, where we've seen plenty of thunderstorms and showers that have been moving in. Current temperatures right now, 76 degrees in Austin, 74 in Dripping Springs, 72 in Fredericksburg, 76 in San Marcos. A lot of this is thanks to the cloud coverage and the rainfall that we received early this morning. And it looks like we'll at least stay away from some of the mid-90s that we've been seeing over the past couple of days. As we look at your severe risk for the rest of the day today, we're in that marginal category, Category 1 for a majority of central Texas, slight or Category 2, especially for our lower half of our viewing area, getting into Hays County, Bastrop, LaGrange, Giddings, and so many other spots. So keep that in mind when I talk about your severe risks for today. Tornadoes still keeping that low, especially for some of those spots that I just mentioned, but everyone has a chance of seeing hail, 1 to 2 inches in diameter, winds 58 miles per hour plus, and then those other spots I just mentioned earlier when we look at Caldwell County, as we look at Hays County, Fayette County and Bastrop County, we're within that elevated risk, meaning we have a stronger chance of seeing some strong winds that could develop, especially within that area. So let's play it all out. This is our HRRR model. And as we get into the early afternoon, there's some of those showers I was mentioning right now out towards Mason. We could see a few of those really move through. And then as we get to about 11 p.m., stronger showers and storms that could build up essentially all across the area from the metro into the hill country. Early in the morning on Thursday, again, all of this will be dependent on what we see today. If we have a lot of activity build up later on this afternoon into the early evening, that's going to essentially eat up all the energy within the atmosphere. And Thursday may be a little less severe. As we look out towards Thursday itself, we could see a lot of showers build up. This model keeping all that in. And so for now, I'll keep that in as well. As we get out towards 11 a.m., things start to calm down a bit more as the storms pass through. And then by Friday, we'll be left with just a few isolated showers here and there. As we look at your flood threat for today into tonight, you can see that we are in much higher risk, especially as you get into many portions of the northern part of our viewing area, metro, hill country, eastern counties. Doesn't matter where you're at, you could see that elevated risk overall. So your 7-day forecast, 83 for today, 87 as we get out towards tomorrow, Friday at 92 degrees, But notice our rain chances really start to diminish. By Saturday, Flag Day, we're looking at 93 degrees with a 30% chance of rain. And then by Sunday, Father's Day, rain chances really start to go away and temperatures start to head back up. Let's go ahead and send it over to Rich Segal with a better look at rain totals.
All right, we had a nice soaking rain out at one of the gauges that flows into Lake Travis, the Pedernales River at Fredericksburg, since midnight. Nearly 2.5 inches of rain. A lot of it came down in a quick time frame, but still that 2.5 inches is extremely beneficial. 97 hundredths at Blanco, but just up the highway, we had a little more than an inch of rain at the Pedernales River gauge at Johnson City, 1.12 Atlanta. So most of our higher rain totals come from the hill country again this morning, because not much from I-35 eastward. Our highest rain total on the interstate, 59 hundredths at the gauge at Round Rock, and a little more than 1/2 inch at Georgetown. But the further east you go, the rain totals go down. So we got a nice soaking rain, and that has helped put more water into Lakes Travis and Buchanan. Travis elevation is up to 637.62. That's a rise of 1.72 feet in 1 month. Buchanan at 1002.33 is up 3 7/10 feet in the last month. And so now we're still at 44% full at Travis and 60 at Buchanan, and we'll have more on the lakes coming up in our next half hour. Avery, Will?